As you know, we are building our off-grid Airbnb cabin, and pretty much everything out there runs on batteries. I've been using DeWalt for more than 10 years. Pretty much all my tools are cordless now. But there is one problem. The batteries are insanely expensive. A brand new battery costs around 100 or more bucks. Honestly, I think that's way overpriced. It almost feels like DeWalt makes more money on the batteries than on the tools themselves. I'm sure a lot of you have run into the same things. So I decided to test it for myself. Is it really worth paying that premium just for the brand name? Or you can find something cheaper? On the market you can find a lot of replacement options. I checked a lot of reviews and I found this brand, CEENR. This brand has a lot of nice reviews, and also the cost of one battery, it's about 4 times less than the original DeWalt. So I figured why not test it out and see what happens. In terms of size, the CEENR is a little bit bigger than my current DeWalt battery, but the difference is minor. The white way is almost the same, both lock into the tools with no wobble or play, and the CEENR even has a built-in charge indicator, which is a nice bonus. Overall, it looks solid. Alright, now it's time for a real test. The big question is, can the battery that cost 4 times less actually perform as the original DeWalt? Okay, both batteries are fully charged, showing 3 bars, it's 100%. For this test I'm using my DeWalt leaf blower. I will run each battery for about 5 minutes straight, no breaks, and then check the charge left. First up, the original DeWalt. I pop it in, pull the trigger and let it run. After about 5 minutes, the DeWalt drops from 3 bars down to just 1. When I throw it on a charger, it shows around 20% remaining. Now let's test our new battery. Same test, same blower, same time. After 5 minutes of non-stop use, it's still showing 3 bars. On the charger, it read about 60% left. That's a pretty big difference. Let's take a look at the charger. Here is the DeWalt. Very basic. Small, lightweight, with a single LED indicator. It does its job, charges the battery, but that's about it. Nothing fancy. Okay, now here is the new charger, which we also bought for this test. Much bigger, but also way more modern. It's got a screen that shows real-time charging percentage and current. On the top of that, it has USB port and even a Type-C input. That means you can charge your batteries or even plug in your phone using the same unit. And the best part, it's less than half the price of the DeWalt charger. I've been running this CEENR battery for about a month now, and honestly, it's been solid. Sure, DeWalt has the brand name, the warranty, the peace of mind, but you also pay 3 times or 4 times more for it. So the question is, do you really need to spend that much money, or you prefer to have 3 or 4 that batteries that work just as well? For me right now, I don't see any points to pay more. So what do you think? Is it worth paying extra for the DeWalt name? Or are alternatives like CEENR good enough nowadays? Please drop your thoughts in the comments. I would like to see what do you think, guys.